Scotland. Best cities to visit. Scotland is a country renowned for its rich history, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant culture. From its bustling cities to its rolling hills, Scotland is a must-visit destination for anyone looking for a unique and unforgettable experience. Here are some of the best cities to visit in Scotland. Edinburgh. The capital of Scotland is famous for its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture. It is home to many famous landmarks, including Edinburgh Castle, the Royal Mile, and the Palace of Holyrood House. Additionally, the city is known for its festivals, including the Edinburgh International Festival and the Royal Edinburgh Military Tattoo, which attract visitors from all over the world. Glasgow. This city is Scotland's largest and is known for its rich cultural heritage, world-class museums, and vibrant nightlife. In Glasgow, travelers can explore the Glasgow School of Art, the Kelvin Grove Art Gallery and Museum, and the Glasgow Cathedral. The city is famous for its shopping, dining, and entertainment options, making it a must-visit destination for anyone looking for a truly unforgettable experience. Inverness. This beautiful city is located in the heart of the Scottish Highlands and is surrounded by stunning natural beauty. Tourists can explore the historic Inverness Castle, visit the Culloden battlefield, or take a walk along the banks of the River Ness. The city is home to many museums, galleries, and cultural attractions, making it an ideal destination for anyone interested in Scotland's rich cultural heritage. Stirling. This historic city is located in the heart of Scotland and is home to some of the country's most iconic landmarks, including Stirling Castle and the Wallace Monument. Visitors to Stirling can explore the city's historic streets, visit the many museums and galleries, or take a stroll through the surrounding countryside. Stirling is known for its festivals and events, making it a must-visit destination for anyone looking for a truly unforgettable experience. Aberdeen. This coastal city is located in the northeast of Scotland and is famous for its stunning coastline and historic architecture. Travelers can explore the city's many museums and galleries and visit the famous Marischal College. Additionally, the city is known for its delicious seafood, making it a must-visit destination for anyone looking for a truly unforgettable culinary experience. Dundee. This city is located on the east coast of Scotland and is famous for its rich history and stunning waterfront. Tourists can explore the city's many museums and galleries, visit the famous RS Discovery, or take a stroll along the beautiful waterfront. Additionally, the city is known for its delicious seafood, making it a must-visit destination for anyone looking for a truly unforgettable culinary experience. Each of these cities offers a unique and unforgettable experience, making Scotland a must-visit destination for anyone looking for a rich cultural heritage, stunning natural beauty, and a vibrant atmosphere. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or simply want to experience the beauty of Scotland, these cities are sure to offer you a truly unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching.